So guys, welcome back to the next video. So in this video we are going to see how to integrate JIRA and ServiceNow. So basically we are having a requirement like we need to integrate JIRA and ServiceNow here. So what we are going to do, we are going to create and delete groups in the JIRA using API. So what are the requirements? So you need Atlassian account, then an API, then username, of course the email ID which you are using for creating the Atlassian account, and then we need to get the API token. So first of all, just go through the documentation here. So if we just go through the documentation, you can see here, right, so you can see the thing is like for this one, create group. So you can do anything, create a group, remove a group, then bulk get groups, get users from the group, add a user to the group. But in this case we are going to see create a group. So this is the simple explanation, and here it says name is required, and if you see the curl, so the endpoint is this one, https your domain atlassian.net and REST API 3 group. So basically this is the base of that URL, and your domain is basically the email id.atlassian.net, right? And you will be creating the domain whenever you are creating the Atlassian account. There is a separate video for creating the Atlassian account, you can check it out. So user, the email ID of whatever you have given for the creating Atlassian account, then header will be these two, accept JSON or application, then content type JSON or application. So as we are creating one account here, we need to give the name of the group. As we are creating a group, we need to give the name of the group, and that's it, right? So now in order to create an account on this one, so you can basically go to this Google Chrome, and then just you can search for JIRA software. Then you have to click on this one, the Atlassian link, and you will be redirected here. So I am already logged in. If you are not logged in, it will show you the thing as sign in. So you just need to click on sign in, give an email ID, then give the name of your choice for site, and it will be created. So once you create a site, you will be coming here, no tickets, as I have created some tickets, but it will be blank for you. And then you can create some tickets, or like in order to create the group, you have to reach this dashboard, right? So in order to reach this dashboard, what we can follow is basically you'll be on this one homepage previously. So just click on this icon, then click on manage account. So once you click on manage account, then you will be coming over here. Just click on this menu icon here, then click on administration. So if you click on administration, then you will be redirected to this page, or just wait for a few seconds. Then you have to select the JIRA software here and click on 3 dots, then click on manage users. So once you click on manage users, you will be here. Then you need to click on groups. Now you are able to see groups here. So these are all the groups which I have created. For example, ServiceNow group, test1 group, example group I have created just now for testing. So in order to create a group manually, you have to create on this one, and you need to give the group name, but I want to do it from the API, right? So through Postman I am going to show you how to do it. In order to create this group from the API, we need to get the endpoint. Already we have got the endpoint from this one, so you can see here, this is the endpoint. So how to do the configuration and all. So nothing, https beaconbot.atlassian.com. so in this one, whatever the beaconbot I have given, this is the site name for me. So you'll be setting the site name whenever you are creating the account. So just give that one, then /REST API 3, then group, okay? And in body you have to pass the group name, so you just need to give it in the JSON format, name, and okay, so I'm just I was just testing group 1, 2, 3. Okay, so this is the new name I will give, and then in authorization you have to pass the username and password. So basically beaconbot@gmail.com, this is the user ID or the email which I used to create the Atlassian account. So you have to give that one, and password. Note that few people think that whatever the email password is there, with that I am going to give, but it's not true. You cannot give that one. This is the API token, and it is very huge. Trust me, this is the API token actually which I am using. So if I click on this one, you can see it will be expanding, right? So that is the API token. We have to use that one only, and first I will show you the demo. So nothing else, okay? In headers you just need to pass these two things: accept application and JSON, content type application and JSON. So these are the only two things which are required to pass, right? So now I will click on send. Note that what group I am creating. So I am creating group 1, 2, 3, and first I will show you there is no group called group 1, 2, 3. You can see here I am going to users, then I am going to groups. There is nothing. So now I'll click on send and it will create a group called group 123. I'm going to this thing now and go refresh this one. So if I go refresh, you can see group 123 is created. So now comes the question, everything is clear, but how to get this API token? It's very easy, you can just follow these steps, okay? So in order to create the API token, from this window you just need to click on security and just a second, we were actually fine. So we just need to click on account settings here. Overview, security. Well, now settings. Okay, got it. So figured it out basically. So in order to create that API token, what you can do is basically go to the home page, like wherever your site is there. Then you just need to click on this icon again and then click on manage account. So once you click on manage account, then you will be seeing this window here, okay? And once you see this window, you can go to security. Okay, so once you go to security, you can just scroll below and there is a session called API tokens, and you just need to click on this create and manage API tokens, right? So see, ServiceNow test token I have already created, but if you want to create another one, so create API token, give some label name. I can give test one and I can click on create. So once I click on create, then it will be creating a token like this. See, it is some random characters. You can copy this and you will be using as a password in this one. So the same token you have to give it here, and you will be getting 201 response. You are able to create the groups in the JIRA. So this is how it will be working. So basically, if you have got any doubts or if you have any queries related to this one, so please ask it in the comment section, and I hope you know the next step, like what we need to do in the ServiceNow. So basically we have to open the personal development instance, and then we need to create one response or REST message where we have to add a method, that is basically post method, and we have to set a business rule, or we can trigger it through the background script with the help of script include and all. So basically that is left to the ServiceNow, but this is how we can get the API. So once it start working in the Postman, it's very easy to implement in the ServiceNow. So there is also a video on that one, you can check it in the playlist. So thank you guys, thanks for watching. That's it in this video. I hope you enjoyed this one. So please, for any queries you can ask in the comment section, and follow for more videos on this topic. Thank you.